So you guys did your cool down today. There are some things that I need you to go ahead and look and tell me, were you making a 10 or 100? When you were adding your 3-digit number, and then what is the second? How many digits are in the second number? How many, Taylor? Okay, so go ahead and look and see what you possibly did. I'm going to give you 2 minutes of think time.
I think I know.
Okay. Do you guys want to start?
Yes.
I said 2 minutes, but you guys are ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the first number? What is the first number? Yes. 345. And how many digits are in the first number? How many digits are in the first number? Put your finger on the first number. Right here. Right there. Great job. Is that 345? What number is that? 354. Okay, we're going to work together on this. So go ahead and write 354 on the table. We're going to work through this together. 354. Okay? 354. And that's a what type of number? Yes. Taylor, what type of number is that? It's a what? 3 what? 3 what? 3 digit? Okay, 3-digit number. And you're adding a 3-digit number with a what? Put your finger on the second. With a 2-digit number. Great job. Okay, what am I going to figure out first? If I need to make a what? Taylor, I need you to participate too. Great job, Claire. What is the first thing that we're going to figure out?
A 10.
If you need to make a 10. So, right here, we're going to start at our ones place. This little placeholder is helpful because it can help us identify our place value. So 4 plus 5 equals what?
9.
4 plus 5 equals what? Equals 9. Great job. We're moving on to what? What place? What is that place? The tens place. So we are adding 50 plus what number? What number is in our,
70.
Okay, what is 50 plus 70? 50 plus 70. How could we figure that out? 50 plus 70. Let's kind of figure that out.
Maybe adding 7.
Okay, what is 0 plus 0? Let's break it down, starting with our ones. What is 0 plus 0?
0 plus 0
What?
0 plus 0
Equals 0. Then let's add our tens place. What is 5 plus 7?
5 plus 7. 12.
12. But remember, that is going to be our tens place, right? So we're going to put that right here to make what?
120.
120. So we broke that all the way down. Now, let's go ahead and add 120 plus what number do we have left? Who's up there by himself?
Mr.
Mr. 9. Who's up there by himself? Who's up there by himself? Who do we have? 9. Mr. 9. So we're going to add 120 plus 9.
120.
Okay, how did you know that?
Because if you add 20, that's 9. But then if you add 29, that's 100. That's 129.
Great job. All right, so we have 129, but guess what? We forgot our lonely hundreds place. We forgot our lonely hundreds place. So how many hundreds are right here? 300, right? And then what about over here? 129, right? That we have to add because we're adding our hundreds place. So did we make a 10 or did we make 100? 100. So go ahead and add 300 plus 129. Remember your place value. Take it step by step. Your ones place. Then you got it. Take your time. Your ones place. No. I want to see you go through each place value. Go ahead and erase that. If you go from your ones place, then your tens place, then your ones place. Okay?
I just got it, and then it says you have to wait for 2 minutes.
Just give me a second. What is our answer? Okay, look it. Great job, Claire. So we're going to start right here in our ones place. Taylor, pay close attention. 0 plus 9 equals what, Taylor? 0 plus 9 equals what? 9. I need you to pay close attention. 0 plus 20 equals what?
0 plus 20
Equals 20. So our 2 goes in our tens place. And then 300 plus 100. What is 300 plus 100?
300 plus 100 equals 12.
And we're adding a what to the number 300? We're adding 100. Do you see how we got that? You still need some help?
And I see my
Okay, so we're going to go back again. 9 plus 0 equals what? Then we're doing 20 plus 0 equals what? And then 300 plus 100. What is it? 400. We get 429. Does that make sense? Okay, so we're going to do a little bit more practice with this. Okay? A little bit more
I see
practice.
my mistake.
Okay, what was your mistake on your cool
My
down?
mistake is that I didn't make my tens right, so I got 209.
Oh, so your tens place where you did 5. So you did what?
I made a mistake of making my tens.
Oh, okay. Oh no, so you added 70 plus 40 instead of 70 plus 50? Okay, great job. So I need you guys to focus on your place value. What was your mistake? Oh, okay. So you added the ones and the tens together instead of the what? And the ones. Okay, so remember that place value. You got to take it step by step by step. Holy moly. Okay, go ahead and Kiwis. Kiwis, come over here to the small group table. Great job, guys, okay? Go put it in the exit ticket bin. You guys did a great job, so remember your place value. If you are talking at table 1 and 2, I need you to quiet. Kiwis, over here with your whiteboard markers and your whiteboards and your markers. Kiwis, let's go. Make a space for Hayes. Are you guys ready? Thank you. Sure. Actually, get a chair. Louisa, go ahead and give a check mark to those students who are talking. It should be very, very quiet. All right, this is some practice that we have been doing all week long. We are going to be subtracting. We've been adding, but I want to give you guys a challenge. Are you up for it? We are going to be subtracting a 10 or 100. Okay? I want you to use any strategies that you think will help you subtract a 10 or 100 from a number. Are we ready? Okay. I want you first to look. I know the screen is a little dark. I tried to turn it up. I want you first to identify. You have this in base 10 form. I want you to identify this number in standard form. Go. Christian, come get on iReady, please. Yep, just write down the number and then I want you to stop. going to be a warm-up. We're starting with addition. Ha. I know it's hard to see. Here you go. You guys see it now? Okay, I want you to strain your eyes. Okay, are we ready? So, how many digits is this number? 3 digits. What is our first place? Come get your iPad, please. What is our first place that we see? Our hundredths blocks. Our hundredths blocks. And we put our 3 right there. What about our tens? How many tens do we have? 4. And how many? Oh. Look at me getting ahead of myself and not checking. We have 5 tens, right? And how many ones do we have? How many ones do we have? Okay. Make sure you guys leave your practice problems out on your desk so I can check them. Out on your desk, everyone. Taylor, Claire, work on your practice problems. Lesson 7, please. Okay. 354. What number are we going to add to that number? What number are we going to add to that number? What do you think?
1.
We're going to add 10 to that number. I want you to go ahead, even if you can do it mentally, I want to see if you can do it mentally, or you can use one of the strategies. Expanded form, base 10 form, or you could use it, you could do a number line to show your work. I'm going to give you 1 second to get this problem done. 1 second. I see Owen using his base 10 blocks. I see Liam using a number line. Jonah is going to do expanded form. So we all have different ways of solving our equation. Hayes is doing base 10 blocks too. Okay, I'll give you guys 1 more second. I said that before, but I think I see some people solving it with their strategies, not mentally, which is great too. So I can see your work. Ooh, go ahead and box in your answer so you know which one is the answer. Okay, I want you to go ahead and turn and talk with your partner right next to you. So I want Liam and Jonah to talk together, and then Hayes and Owen. And tell them what strategy you used and how you solved the problem. Go. I'm coming around to check your practice problems. Practice problems out on your desk. I don't see your practice problems. Go put them out on your desk. Thank you for those of you who listened. Why do you have someone else's iPad? Did you log into yours?
354 plus 10 equals 34.
Oh, you have to come to me.
5 plus 10 equals 6, 16. You drop the 30.
Okay, so you just come to me and write it out. You have to log in first. Okay, so Leighton, can I have your practice problems? Can you get your practice problems out?
I just did plus 10.
Okay, boys, I'm coming back over. Lesson 7. Did you do lesson 7? Can you go ahead and do lesson 7?
You know the camera's standing
Go ahead and do lesson 7. I have 3 boxes. All right, are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, so Liam, what strategy did you use to solve? What did you use? Okay, so you started at what number?
Started at 354.
You started at 354, and how many jumps did you need to make?
10.
To get to what?
364.
Great job. Jonah, what did you notice about the digit that changed in the number?
I noticed the 10.
The tens place change. Why do you think the tens place change?
Because it's plus 10.
Because it's what? Because you're
adding 10.
You're adding 10 to that number. Hey, let's see, who else would like to share the strategy that they used? Liam, go ahead and pick somebody that you want to share their strategy. I know it's a...
I used the base 10 blocks,
Okay.
and I showed 300. I showed the 50, then added a 10 for the plus 10 and got 60. And I had 4 ones, and then I did 300 plus 60 plus 4 equals 364.
Woo, woo. Great job. I loved how you used your base 10 block strategy. What did you notice when he used his base 10 strategy? I mean, his base 10 blocks. What did he have to do with his